Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about the 700 Gen 6 series. So continuing on with our 700 Gen 6 terminal, interesting question came up the other day. We've got guidance screen just in the middle there. That's not really convenient, you can't really see much. So one neat feature with this terminal, we're going to go up to our overview manager here again, and we're going to find where our map is, and you can see it down there, and we drag up and drop another piece into the map there. Our guidance screen has now expanded. If we grab it and drag it up and drop it over there, we've just expanded our guidance screen even more. So kind of a neat setup there. We hit return and go back. Now we have guidance across the whole top of the screen. You can actually set that up to where you cover the whole screen with guidance as well. And then of course you can page back and forth quite quickly to see what's going on overall. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.